Hello. Today I will be showing you how to filter notifications. For example, you want to receive some particular notifications while leaving other unwanted notifications. Scroll down on your phone to see the icon of settings or go through your phone to find the settings app. Press on the button where you are seeing apps and notifications. Next, you are going to press where you are seeing the button called Notifications. Press where there is written See All from last 7 days. After that, you should see all apps stored on your phone that sends you notifications. If you don't want some of the apps you have to send you notifications, or if you want to restrict them from sending you notifications, just press on this button on the particular app you want. Once it's turned off, that application won't be able to send you notifications anymore.